In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until the best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now, in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here. Okay. And once everything ready, please navigate to the search bar at the center and type for HP DeskJet space 2131 space driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Okay, so if you can see a result which is this, click on it. And from here, you need to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down on the list and you can see there, okay, which is this kind of option: installation software and fuller basic driver supports print and scan functionality. So click on this down arrow key and scroll down and download this. Okay, click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once downloaded, navigate it to the desktop. Move it here to the desktop and you need to extract the file. So there are two ways on how to extract it. You can double tap that to extract it, or you can simply make a right click. And from here, you need to scroll down and use WinRAR. Okay. And go with extract to. So once a file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then we need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with printers and scanners, and you would be able to see an option like this, which is add device. So click on it and kindly wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a device. So click on this add manually. And from here, you need to navigate to this option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on next. Go with have the click and browse. And from here, you need to navigate to the desktop and please scroll down and locate to this one, double tap to it, and it will show you everything which is included, which includes the driver. Okay, so select any of this driver, click on open, click on OK, and it would be added here. So click on next and please rename that into 2131. Then click on next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be finished. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.